Hey there, this is Cyril Gupta, your friend in internet marketing, and today I want to talk to you about a product that we're coming up with soon. And this is our 45th product launch in the market. We've done 45 product launches, all of them great products, well maintained, well loved. Across all those 45 launches, we've never had an instance where we have let our customers and our affiliates down, because we have always committed to the best in the standards, whether it's support, whether it's product quality, whether it's product maintenance, whether it's good practices to make sure that our affiliates are paid on time and they're paid correctly. We make sure that things happen the way they should. So far, the journey has been fantastic. Your support has been extremely fantastic, and I love working with all you guys. We've done over $3 million in gross sales, made over $1.5 million in commissions for our affiliates, and on an average given away $5,000 in prizes. So that's another $200,000 that we have given away to our affiliates across the journey, across the launches that we've done. And it's been fantastic. We've grown with you. We've helped you make sales when you have launched, and we have been very consistent working with our partners. And that's the way it should be. We should always be working together. This is an industry where we're going to grow if we work together and if we support each other. So I really, really value that. I understand that. And that's what I'm committed to. I'm committed to working with you. I'm committed to bringing you great products. I'm committed to supporting you when you come out with another great product. And we're going to make it work that way. For as long as we are here in the market, this is the way we're going to do things. This is our commitment to you. Now, about the product that we're coming out with next, it's called Vidscribe, and this is a unique product that helps your customers get local language traffic. It's got a high quality AI engine, and with that engine it can convert any video into any language you want. So feed it a video in English, feed it a video in Hindi, Arabic, Chinese, and it can churn out a video in the corresponding language, any language you want, and it's gonna do two things for you. The first thing, it can do subtitles. It can do video subtitles right below the video in any language you want, and these subtitles are a part of the video, right? They're not just SRT files, though you can get SRT files from this, but these subtitles are not SRT files. They are a first class, they're a first class citizen. They are a part of the video that you are churning out, that makes your video 100% unique. When you put it online, it's going to be ranked for the local language keywords. It's going to be a local language video. It's absolutely different and separate from the video that you have in the original language. But that's not all. It can even dub your video in the language of your choice. So give it a video in English and you get a video dubbed in Spanish for you with fantastic audio, all matched to the dialogues. And you have a choice of voices. You can have multiple female voices. You can have multiple male voices. So you can choose what kind of person, what kind of accent the person has, what kind of, the voice the person has. It's all in there. Plus, it's got an extremely adaptive interface. You can modify everything you want, and you can change anything you want to churn out the videos the way you want. If you want to be on full auto, you can do that. If you want to modify each and everything, you can do that. And what's more, this app is going to publish your videos, the videos that you make, to YouTube and to Facebook without you having to do things manually. And that's amazing, because you can get automated viral and video traffic to your pages, to whatever offers you have, without a hassle. Plus, this is a desktop application. You can run it on your own computer. You can run it on a VPS. If your customer buys a pro license or an agency license, they can run it on a VPS. And the best thing is, there is no queuing, there is no disappointment. You put in a video, you get it out, and there's absolutely no limits. You can make 100 videos a day, you can make 150 videos a day. We aren't gonna stop you. We're not gonna allocate you, because this is gonna run with your firepower, with your computer. So you can go totally limitless. Nothing like this has been done for the market. There's no software that has no limits, nothing, and which publishes natively to YouTube there in the market. This is the first one, Vidscribe, and I think it's going to be the standard for this now. As usual, my commitment is to improve the software with user feedback, make sure it's the best software, not just today, but for a long time to come. And we've kept it that way. Every single application that we've created is evergreen. If the API is still working, maybe if we've used an API If it's still working, we make sure we update it. We keep it updated to the changes in the market. We make sure that our software works, and you can keep promoting our products for months and months on and years on. We've maintained the first product that we created back in 2013. We've upgraded it and we've launched new versions of it, and every one of those have been successful. That's the commitment we have for every application we create, including Vidscribe. This is going to be another great launch from us, and I'm happy to invite you to be a part of this launch. As usual, be assured that you're going to get paid correctly, you're going to pay it on time, and the contest is fair and it's going to put money in your pocket. It's a $7,000 contest with a $2,000 first prize, and I will make sure that the conversions are high. Just as usual, we've got a lot of experience over a lot of launches, and we've made sure that the conversions are always good, that the customers actually trust our brand, and there are people who just pick up our software when they see it. So promoting us is never something that you need to think about too much, because when we launch a product, we make sure that the customers are there to buy from you. So join us on this amazing launch. Let's make it an amazing launch again from Teknikforce, and keep me updated. Connect with me, keep me updated about what you're doing. Let's chat and talk to you soon. This is your friend in internet marketing, Cyril Gupta, signing off.